Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure legal compliance with ComplyAdvantage step by step clearly. To configure legal compliance with ComplyAdvantage, begin by logging into your ComplyAdvantage account. Navigate to the dashboard to access your compliance tools. Locate the Settings tab in the main menu and select it. In the Settings menu, find the Compliance Configuration option and click on it. Review the compliance modules available for your organization. Select the modules that apply to your business needs. Once modules are selected, proceed to customize the settings for each one. For each module, input the specific legal requirements relevant to your jurisdiction. Ensure you include necessary regulations such as AML or KYC for your industry. Next, upload any required documentation that supports your compliance efforts. Confirm that the uploaded documents meet the formatting and size specifications listed. After inputting the details, click the Save button to apply your changes. You may want to run a risk assessment to identify any gaps in compliance. Utilize the risk scoring feature to evaluate potential vulnerabilities. Once evaluations are complete, adjust your settings as needed based on the results. Set up alerts for any significant changes in regulations related to your business. To do this, navigate to the Alerts section within the Compliance settings. Select the types of alerts you want to receive, such as regulatory updates or risk changes. Finally, regularly review your compliance settings to ensure ongoing adherence to relevant laws and regulations. Document any changes or updates made during this process for future reference. Ensure that your team is trained on the compliance settings implemented in ComplyAdvantage. Establish a review schedule to maintain compliance standards consistently over time. Monitor your compliance dashboard for any overdue actions or alerts. By following these steps, you will have a robust legal compliance configuration in place with ComplyAdvantage. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.